Okay folks, we're here at yet another Italian food review. This time, a delicacy that is known to Sicily. It's called arancini. Where are we? We're back at Joseph's Market in Delray Beach. They had a lot of things. I'll probably be here again to try some other of their foods. Place is nice, it's immaculate. The location is 8918 West Atlantic Avenue in Delray Beach. Great location, great parking, great staff. Place is immaculate. Their pizza did not score very high. I didn't expect it. When you have so many varieties of things, it's hard to really hone in on having one thing really good. But I would say they're a jack of all trades, maybe a master of none, but a jack of all trades and good jack of all trades. They have good quality stuff across the board. Today we're trying something that is known to Sicily. It's called arancini. It's a rice ball. There are different versions of it throughout Italy, depending on where you're from, is how it's made and what's on the inside. The rice is cooked down to almost the water coming completely out of it. Some people put eggs in it to make the rice stick together, some don't. You make the rice cool, then you'll pat it down, put it in the fridge, let it cool for a while, season it, and cup it into your hand. Then inside of it, you can, if it's really authentic Sicilian, you'll put a ragu, which has meat in it, sometimes peas. We'll have some mozzarella. It's really a fine delicacy. I'm looking at this now. It's pretty moist. It's got some weight to it. Take a good look at that, Sharon. Let's give it a shot. Hard to find. You don't find them in pizzerias. It's really a delicacy. Let's give it a shot. Okay, look on the inside. There's that ragu. This is that authentic Sicilian style. Okay. There are the peas in there. All right. Again, jack of all trades, master of none, but a good job for what it is. I would say that as rice balls go, or arancini as the Sicilians call them, I would say that this is a 6.5. You really have to, in order to make an arancini authentic like that, you don't want to have the rice ball be so greasy. When they come out of the oven, you want to drain them out on paper towels, really let the grease and oil get out of them. They should be a little firmer, but a 6.5 I think is fair. It's not a terrible score. Remember, you can't be great at everything when you have a place here that has so many different things. But that's a 6.5, a real rice ball, real arancini review by a real authentic Italian. 6.5, Joseph's Market, Delray Beach.